Hi everyone, back again with me, Aulegana Safarani. Here I will explain the function of supply in business mathematics. Okay, let's go get started. Overfunication is a mathematical representation of the relationship between the price of a good or service and the quantity of goods offered by producers in the context of economics. The supply function describes how the quantity of goods produced and sold changes with changes in market price. It helps business understand how price changes and affect production levels, revenue, and overall business strategies. This function serves as a guide for making better decisions related to sales and producer strategies, as well as setting optional price for goods or service overall. The supply function allows us to see how products adjust the quantity product in response to changes in price. When the price of a good rises, producers are likely to increase the quantity supplied in the market because there is an incentive to earn high profit. Conversely, when prices fall, producers might reduce the quantity supplied due to lower profit margins. Therefore, understanding the supply function is essential for business to make informed decisions relating how much of a good to product, market, and sell. Supply function formula. The supply function is a typical expressed mathematical as QE sama dengan FP, where Q is the quantity supplied, the amount of goods producers went to product and sell. P is the price of the good or service. FP is the function connecting price with quantity supplied. A common example of a supply function is QE sama dengan A plus BP, where A represents the quantity supplied when the price is 0. B is the supply coefficient, indicating how sensitive the quantity supplied is to price change. Factors affecting in the supply function. Several factors influence the supply function, including price of goods itself. Higher price led to higher quantity supplied. When the price of a good increase, producers are more likely to increase producer to maximum profit. Price in one of the primary motivators for products to adjust higher production level. Price of substitute goods. If the price of substitute goods that can replace the product in question rises, the quantity supplied of the good in question might increase. Product might shift to producers to more profit markets if the price of substitutes goes up, increasing on quantity supplied. Cost on inputs. Product costs, such as raw material of labor, affect the quantity supplied. When input price rise, production costs increase, and this can disturb the quantity supplied, as producers might consider reducing production to maintain adequate profit margins. Technology advancements can increase production effective, allowing producers to produce more goods at the same of lower cost. Improved technology can reduce production costs, leading to an increase in the quantity supplied of goods or service. Producers' expectation. If producers expect the price of the goods to rise in the future, they may withhold supply now to sell at a higher price later. Example application in business. Pricing decision. The supply function helps business set optimal product price, considering the quantity, the want to sell, and prevailing market price, understanding the relationship between price and quantity. Supply allows business to determine price that can attract customer without understanding profitability. Production decision making. The supply function enables business to decide on the most profitable production level based on expected market price. This could include decision to increase or decrease production depending on market price analysis. Market analysis, understanding to supply function allow business to analyze how supply and demand interact in the market. This helps understand how price changes affect the availability of goods, how sellers and buyers react to these changes, and how producers and adjust their strategies to maximize profitability. Elasticity of supply. It can be conclusion using the formula IS sama dengan delta QS per delta P dibagi QS per P, where IS is the supply elasticity, delta QS is the change in quantity supplied, delta P is the change in price. If the supply elasticity is greater than 1, supply is considered elastic. Responsive to price change. If less than 1, supply is inelastic, less responsive to price change. Practical application of the supply function in business. Pricing strategy. The supply function assists in setting quantity of goods to sell and economic factor effective price. By understanding how price changes affect the quantity supplied, business can avoid setting price that are too high or too low. Production decision. The supply function enables business to decide on the most profitable production level based on expense market price. Economy understanding change such as economy uncertainty, uncreated economic change such as recession, inflation, of government regulation can affect the accuracy of the supply function model. These external factors can impact production costs, supply level, and overall business strategies. Non-price factor. The supply function does not always consider not price factors such as technology change, government regulation, of social factor that can affect supply. These factors can lead to change in supply decisions that are not predicted by simple supply models. Conclusion. The supply function is an essential tool in business mathematical that help understand how price changes affect the quantity supplied. It is used to forecast product supply, good pricing decision, and improve overall business strategies. Albeit there are limitations, the supply function remains a key component in market analysis and making informed business decisions. By understanding and optimizing the supply function, business can better prepare to face market challenges and maximize the profitability. So that this discussion of the overall function in business mathematics, hopefully it's easy to understand. Thank you.